Okay, so it's June, and regular viewers will have already seen most of this. So, but every month I just do a dedicated video showing the sort of harvest for that month. And I like to do the videos at the beginning of the month. I don't know why. Anyway, so we'll just start with the salads. So unfortunately, I do not have tomatoes in quantity. I have enough tomatoes to snack on when I'm on the allotment, but I don't have enough to make up the big salad harvest. So yeah, they're from the supermarket, but I do have beautiful lettuces, I have salad onions, I have salad onion tops, and yeah, so we can still make up a decent salad. We've got loads of spinach at the moment. This is Mikado. It's an Asian spinach. It does better at this time of year. But even this will go to seed by the end of June. And then we'll be on to New Zealand spinach, which is much better in June. And also beetroot leaves, which are a nice substitute for spinach. And also chard. So we'll have plenty of stuff then. That, since we're sort of on it, is the last of their Calabrese heads, and these are the last of the Calabrese side shoots. So beetroot, yeah, we've got loads of beetroot. We've got lots of really nice big beetroot, but I'm actually saving that. I'm just clearing some beds at the moment, so I just picked all these little baby ones just to get them out of the way. And rhubarb, peas. We are definitely in pea abundance at the moment, so these are the Mange 2 peas, the first early crop. The second earlies are just starting to come on stream, and so we're giving peas away like crazy. So I think we picked 4 tubs of these this week. And the courgettes are getting about 6 courgettes a week, which is almost what we need, but we're eating those pretty much as we pick them. Same is the case of the asparagus, we're just eating that. And I'm going to let my asparagus grow on now. We've had a lot of asparagus. The plants are looking like they'll get slowing down a little bit, so I'm just going to leave them to it. And yeah, the second crop of the broad beans for the year. Broad beans are a bit late. This is the early crop because we lost them all in the big freeze in December. And we've got just a few turnips left. You see a little bit of damage on these. But they're not very good in summer. They're a bit spicy and they're not so crisp. They're a bit chewier in texture. So yeah, just one picking of those and then we'll be finished until autumn. Carrots are looking really nice though. And we've got really nice salad carrots as well. A bit smaller and crunchier. And yeah, so I've had strawberries since the beginning of May, but this is the first sort of bulk harvest, you would say, of strawberries, rather than just picking them daily and eating them as we go. Green garlic, loads of green garlic down there. We've still got about just a week, I think, of green garlic left. But the mature garlic, the early stuff in the polytunnel is now ready. So that doesn't really matter that we're running out of green garlic. Nice bed of kale there, and some nice loose leaf cabbage leaves, and actually a seed head off one of the cabbages as well, which I really like, these seed heads. Cauliflowers, we are kind of in cauliflower abundance at the moment. We had 2 cauliflowers last week. We've got 4 cauliflowers still to pick, and we've got some just little cauliflowers that are not going to have a chance to size up before I have to clear the beds. We have picked all of the early onions now, so they're just on the ground drying. And yeah, but the main crop onions are looking really nice. So we've got more than enough early onions to last us until August when the main crops are ready. And still picking, you know, this sort of number of new potatoes a week. And that was 2 seed potatoes to get that tub there. So I think that's a pretty good return on investment. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but these are the salad carrots, so really lovely. And I think that is pretty much it for June. So things can only get better from here. quite a nice table, although we will be running out of the flowering brassicas, not next week but the week after, and then it'll be a couple of weeks before we have cauliflowers and calabrese again, so making the most of them at the moment. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.